Pre-market analysis, dog. First up, we got AUDCHF. Hopefully we take a trade this week if the opportunity presents itself, of course. Weekly looking beautiful though, right here. Looking nice. Got the daily on that side. We just waiting on some liquidity, waiting on the pullback. And then for it to grab liquidity, then we'll play on that lower time frame. But so far it's beautiful. Even if it go past this, that's still okay. We'll still wait for liquidity to get grabbed. Then go on to H4 and go to work. But weekly on my side, daily on my side. Just waiting on the pullback. H4 is on my side. Um, of course, waiting on the pullback for the H4 as well. But even if it shifts off, shifts bullish, I'll just have to wait for the shift to go back bearish. Then go to work. That's really it. It was easy, plain and simple. We just waiting for the pullback. That's it. Especially after a big weekly candle like this. So next candle could maybe look like that, a wick, and then I doubt it though. You got to do all that within 1 week. So maybe something like this, and the push. Because the likelihood of it creating a wick and then pushing like that in the same week, not that high. Depends on how far the push is as well too. But that's it for UDCHF. We playing a waiting game like we always are. Euro CHF, another beautiful setup. Weekly bearish, daily loading up. Not bearish yet, but loading up potentially. Potentially, never really know. H4 bearish, don't mean nothing yet. We don't even have the daily. If we get the daily, then we in the money. That's a pattern right there too. Boop, 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 boop. Yes, sir. That's beauty right there. Potential head and shoulders. So we're just waiting for the daily to shift on this one and give us a retest. So we need a little bit more on this time frame here. Waiting for the shift, retest. Then we'll go on to H4. So H4, we're not really tripping on right now. We're waiting for the daily. Man, that's it. We got the weekly tested. We got a weekly area interest. I feel like I'm flying through this, but it's plain and simple. Yeah, weekly tested, weekly area interest. We got we got 3 touches. 1, 2, 3. Could add this one in there as well. Just waiting for the daily. That's it. You don't got to make it extra complicated. Euro CHF loading up, waiting on the daily. Plain and simple. Yes, sir. Waiting for daily shift. Put that on there. All right. Oh, all CHF pairs. Oh, it is all CHF pairs. I didn't notice that until now. I mean, they look good. Um, weekly bearish here. Daily loading up. This one looks like it's gonna take a lot more time to load up and set up and look how I want it to look. So that's why it's at the bottom of the last one for me. It may take a while to shift on the daily. So I'm waiting for something like this. breaking in a retest. So most likely I won't get a setup for this trade this coming week. Well, this current week. But you never know how the market play out, so we'll see. No point in waiting on looking at H4. We need the daily to look how we need you to look. Then we'll shift down to that H4. So we're waiting for a shift on the daily here as well. Waiting for daily shift. Simple. Simple. That's it. I only got 3 pairs this week. All CHF pairs. Waiting game, man. We taking the quality, baby. This is the highest graded so far. Potential's high here, but our minimum is a 1 to 4. And then we'll see how it shake after that. That's it though, man. We out there. We gonna see how this week go. Last week we didn't take no trades, so. Yeah.